I am a skeptic when it comes to chiropractic. I've never heard of the
KST, yes.
KST type of chiropractic. I have come here to the Van Clinic from Essexville, Michigan, which is about 115, 120 miles away, and have found some relief from some injuries that I received in 2005 as a result of a fall. Fell on my head, to be truthful with you, and these are my first visits to the clinic, but I have found great relaxation of my back, my lower back, and it's been giving me problems. And the first treatment was a relief, and went from there, from the first to the second and the third. Why, it just has been getting better and better. So I guess I'm not a skeptic anymore. I'm a true believer. And trying to talk him into making house visits, but she doesn't want to drive 120 miles.